Welcome, it's Liam again. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to start and complete a sprint in the user story map. After planning all your team issues on the swim lane for your sprint, find the Start option in the swim lane setting. Remember, all changes made here will reflect in your project sprints. To manage the sprint or release on the user story map, check the swim lane to see if any issues are in progress or need to be done. Use the filter on the top navigation bar to view your projects by assignee, status, and more with JQL. To show all completed issues in the sprint, go to User Settings and turn on the Show Completed Task option. To check the completed sprint for tracking and managing purposes, turn on the Show Completed Sprint option in User Settings. Once you have finished the required tasks for the sprint, click on the Complete option in the swim lane settings. A final confirmation pop-up will appear, allowing you to move incomplete issues to the backlog or other sprints. The same steps apply to managing releases or versions of your Jira projects. And that's how you start and complete a sprint in the user story map on ProductGo. For more detailed guides, visit our documentation. Thanks for watching.